okay. I'm okay. I can get up.
Get up.
I can get up.
What are you doing?
Greg killed me.
Are you
I
okay?
didn't even touch him. That's the funny part.
Hurry, get out of there. There's creatures and stuff.
Oh, I thought there was something to do.
I didn't know what it was. Wait.
What's going on?
One of them is.
Are you
Are you
okay?
okay?
Let me see. Are you bleeding? Let me see.
What happened?
He fell.
Greg scared him and he was like leaning back. I think he thought there was like grass there.
You're actually okay. Believe it or not, you're not broken.
You okay?
Yeah.
Nerdo, what is wrong with you?
Oh, that
My
scared
head
me. I'm
hurts.
like, you alright? I
Yeah.
thought there was an animal coming. Look, there's a whole bunch of people.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a keeper.